Hi, I have a question regarding what we study in the colleges. So in 5 years LLB course, the foundation subjects that we study are sociology, political science, economics and English. And in 3 years we study English and jurisprudence. And that's all about what we study as foundation to law. The rest of the subjects are totally what we require as knowledge to practice in the legal profession. So there are other allied subjects like there are thousands of cases filed up in the courts which could be possibly solved before they go to the court, like mediation, and then for which we require subjects like psychology and counseling psychology. And we study criminology and penology as a subject, but we do not have forensic or cyber science as a subject. So we study family law in two different courses, but we do not study family science. So I think we lack the basics before we go into the subject itself.
Yeah, thank you. I'd like Mr. Anantha Padmanabhan to answer the question.
Let me articulate, this could be a standalone law school problem, maybe reflecting from the law school where you're coming from. This is not the same across all the law schools on multiple fronts. Let me tell you a few things which you may want to take away back to your law school, right? Many times as a student, when you're asking your law school or when you're asking the people who are heading the administration of the law school, why these are the only courses that is being taught, the response you might get is, these are the courses which the BCI is asking you to teach, right? But remember, okay, I've got this absolutely right and I'm going to give you the numbers. You need to know this so that everybody in this audience can go back and in fact push your university and institution to think beyond what is there in BCI because it is doable, right? There are only 20 compulsory law courses which has been mandated by BCI. There are only 12 courses which are non-law courses which is mandated by BCI. I'm talking about the 5-year integrated course, right? The rest, are all elective courses. So the elective courses are optional courses, which only goes on to say that if there is no faculty expertise in a particular law school, then that particular course is not being taught. To be honest, the courses you said, which are foundational courses, are not the foundation courses. There are 3 most important foundation courses which every law school ought to teach. 1, legal methods. 2, LARW, which has not been taught in many law schools, exceptions being JINDAL and VIT and some of them, which is called legal analysis, research and writing. 3rd, interdisciplinary courses, which are law and philosophy, law and psychology, law and sociology, law and ethics. These are the courses, again, which are not taught in many law schools. But many law schools do teach them. So you can go back, okay, look at some of the best schools which are actually articulating the curriculum and then take this forward, right? That does not mean to say that all law schools are consistently doing this, right? Second, you said about, can you get the second point you said?
The second point.
Okay.
I didn't get what.
This is only the supplementing what he said. If you are in the LLB honors program, there are 8 honors courses, 6 optional courses. I would consider all 8 are in fact like a Christmas tree. 56 courses you can have. Out of 56, you select 8. If you want something needs to be designed, you give only 6-month notice. Next semester you will have the course. Only undertaking is the student should be more than 15. That